Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to SHIB update right now. So SHIB is finally popping out of the triangle. So you went down like this. You can see a very clear triangle structure breakdown at the moment. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit in there and let's talk about the triangle. So you can see that this took the time from nearly 20 right there, 20 August, and now you're sitting at 5th of August, and you're making consolidation, and finally you've popped to the downside. Now, one thing I've noticed is that when SHIB actually popped out, do you see that the retest has not really happened? Do you see that? The retest here, there's no retest. I mean, the break happened there, but you never went back to touch the line itself. So that can actually be a small little problem. And the SHIB is already down, so who knows, we can actually have just one small little push back up. It's even possible. Let's see if there's any bullish divergence of some sort or not. But one thing I can say is that on the 4-hour time frame for SHIB, you are quite oversold at the moment. But RSI is not the only technical factor once again that I am going to consider. I'm just going to consider the fact that this is your pennant. To me, it's a perfect pennant. What do you guys think? I just see this is coming down. You made a pennant right there. Very beautiful one, because once again, lower support tells it all. This is your support. Very clear support. Very clear resistance right there. And the break didn't happen up. Otherwise, we could have moved a little bit higher. And at this point of time, you also had this inverse head and shoulder, one left shoulder head and the right shoulder here, but you failed to hold above the neckline and you came down, and now you're trading below the neckline as well. So those are just some few more signs at the moment that the market structure is looking pretty weird to me right now. So I've told you about Bitcoin as well in the previous updates, and Bitcoin does look like it's going to take even more time to stay down the ground as well. And let's see what happens. I do believe you're looking for this technical target if everything goes according to the pattern itself. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.